Hello, today we'll be looking at more features of Microsoft Excel. So the last time we looked at how the different tabs we have, the ribbons, how to add sheets, okay? If we want to work on sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and remember all the sheets put together form what we call the workbook, okay? So today I have entered a little data. We can all do the same. All right, so I will be teaching you some other features. Okay, so let's assume you are recording a particular you're doing a particular analysis of maybe students results, just like I have done, and then you forget to add if you forget to add a particular name. Let's assume you want a name to be here before Ngozi. Okay, you don't need to go and start deleting everything. All you need to do is click here, click on Ngozi, okay, right click and then click on insert. Can you see to ask if you want to shift cell, right? If you want to just whatever you want to do, so you select I want to add an entire row. Can you see it will move Ngozi down and create a new row for you? The same thing you can do with column. All right, you can do the same thing with column. If you want to add a column, just select the column where you want to add the new column on. When you select it, all you need to do is to right click again and then you insert the column just like this. Just right click, insert entire row. Can you see it's done? All right, so now remember to undo, our shortcut is what? Control Z. Okay. All right. So the next thing I want to show you is what we call merging of cells. Merging of cells. How to merge a cell. So let's assume I type something here. I want to type final. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have the final results. Okay. Can you see that the final result has exceeded the particular column it's written on? Okay, but I want it to appear as a particular write-up in a cell. So all I need to do is I'll select the cells. Sorry, I'll just select the cells like this. Okay, I'm on my home page. You see where we have the merge and center. Okay, so I want to merge these two cells, so I'll just click on it. All right, can you see the line is off, so it's now a particular cell? That's what it is. So whenever you're writing like a topic or a title of anything you're working on, you might want to merge the cells. Okay, and remember you can still do some formatting with your write-up. You can decide to, if I select this where I have names of students, I can change the font color to red. I can fill that cell. Can you see? I can decide to fill the cell. All right. You can do the same. Change it to any color you like. Okay, just to make your work beautiful. All right. Now, the next thing I want to teach you is what we call freezing of paints. How to freeze your paint. For instance, if you're working with a large number of students and you don't want to keep scrolling down and up, okay? Let's assume you've recorded so many scores here now. I'll just fill this up quickly. Okay, to do this, remember, how do you copy? Control C. Okay, I'll copy this now with the shortcut, Control C, and then put my cursor here. The beauty of Excel is that it will paste the three once. See? Beautiful. So I'll just, okay, Control C. How do you know it's copied? Can you see the dotted lines moving? So I'll just do my Control V to paste it again. Okay, can you see? Are you watching? As far as we have the dotted lines, you can keep pasting. Okay, are you following? This is the beauty of Excel. You can just keep pasting. The beauty of Excel. Okay, now I just want to show you something, so I'll just paste on all of them. Okay, all right. Now let's assume you're still working. You will know what will happen is that if you want to enter your scores here, uh, can you see? Now, have you noticed that where I have my names and the subjects that they are not moving? The rows are moving inward, they are moving under it, but it's still static. How did I do this? Okay, when you select where you want to freeze, go to your view tab. You will see where we have freeze panes. Can you see? Freeze panes. This is where you do it from. Okay, all you need to do, okay, I won't freeze it now. All right, now let me scroll and you see the difference. Can you see? It's moving inside. If I want to freeze it again, I'll just select, go here, and then freeze pane. We have different options, so read through and know the one that suits you. All right, so I'll select the first one because that's what I want, and then let's try to scroll again. Can you see? It's not moving, it's static. So with that, you can keep entering the scores without going up and down to see, oh, where is math column, where is English column. So this makes your work a lot easier. All right. There are so many other features. All right. So remember, we have our cut, copy, and paste here, which you can always use anytime you like. All right. So please get to work, enter your data, do a little adjustment, format it, please. I'll be showing you a little bit of formatting that you can do. Remember, you can add pictures if you want to. You can add shapes. Okay, all you need to do is just to go there, select exactly what you want, and you add it. And then you can add, of course, your pictures. Okay, already saved pictures on your laptop. And then you can also use your charts. Okay, now if you want to use the chart, let's select one of them. Let's say this. Okay, I'll take this down a little bit so we see what I am working on. Now, if I want my work to just have an automatic chart, I won't insert it this way. So I'll take this up. So let me say, let me select here. I'll select all my data. Okay, go to insert. Okay, go to my column, select one. So automatically the system will enter the chart. I'll just reduce this and push it down. Okay, uh, so that you can compare. Can you now see? See names of students. So it's you can easily see that Ada. Can you see the names of students? It makes it so simple for you. All right. This is the beauty of Excel. So get to work, enter your data. Let's have a chat. All right. Please remember, you can always send me your questions, and I promise, as always, to give you a constructive feedback. Thank you once more for listening. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.